Yeah, good day, my people. Thank you once again for another time. Now, today I'm going to be showing us to how we can use Trading View. How we can use Trading View. So, what is Trading View? Trading View is a platform that give traders access to trading platform, not trading platform, but a trade. Yeah, yes, they provide a trading platform that you can place a trade if your broker is registered with them. So we use TradingView for analysis. So they are the the platform is used to make analysis decision and to do your analysis. So what do they provide? You can see from the platform this trading algorithm that you can use for trading analysis. Unlike MetaTrader that you cannot use so many tools, because TradingView will give you access to use most of the trading tools to do your analysis before you can place your trade. So you have to do analysis, follow the plans, be able to skate through in the market. So if you don't have this trading view, I encourage you to have a register with them and be able to use them for your next analysis. So what are the tools that you can use in TradingView? You can use one, you can use the trend line uh, tools. So this a trend line. You see trend line from these particular lines. So we have lines, this trend line, this rail line, this rail info trend line that you can add information to it, extended line, trend angle, horizontal line, horizontal ray, vertical line, cross, parallel channel, and so on and so forth. So they have many tools that you can use for your analysis. So you can add this to your favorite. You can see that I've added it to my favorite. You just click on it. So I've removed it. I've added it back. Can you remove add it and remove it back? You can see the way it works. It is showing on my screen here. So trend line info. You see, you can remove it. So for you to add it to your favorite means that you want to make use of it without searching for it one after the other. So you just see it from your favorite tools that you have added to your screen. So that's for line. Then another one is we have grain and Fibonacci tools. So I think you know if you are experienced trader, you know what Fibonacci does. So we have Fibonacci tools that you can use to draw your uh, Fibonacci uh, for you to know when the market is going to retrace and how it's going to go. So this is a Fibonacci tools that you can use. This is a weekly, this is a daily Fibonacci tools. So enjoy from the high to the low. So if you go and check the lower time frame, you'll be able to see clearer picture of what you just draw on the chart now. You can see it. So you can adjust it. You can see. Also, you can allow it to show all the other number. Allow it to show all the other number. I only put the two number alone. So you can see. You can also adjust it so that it can fit in your chart. See this Fibonacci retracement. So it will tell you when the market is going to retrace and at what level it's going to retrace. So that's the essence of this, and it will tell you the number on it. So let me let me close this so that I can see the clearer picture of what I'm explaining here. So let me close this as well. So this our Fibonacci retracement. This Fibonacci retracement. So it's good. It's telling us that at this particular level, when the market reach this level, is on 0.182. This is 0.5. This is 0.618. This is 0.786. So it's showing us where the market may likely retrace. So from this particular area. So you can see that I'm able to draw my Fibonacci retracement, and when the market reach here, it dropped down to 0.182. So and it's may likely break here and still come to this allusion and come back to one. So that's the retracement. So when it's going to retrace to 50%, so when it gets to this area, is on 50% retracement. So may likely go up from that 50% retracement. So that's that tools. Let me close it. Let me close it. So also you have so many tools here. You can add that to your favorite as a trader. Then channel, can use this also. This channel time zone. This is a Fibonacci speed retracement fan, and so on and so forth. Depend on which one and which one can you use. So it depend on which one and which one can you use. So this is XABC pattern, cipher pattern, head and shoulder pattern, ABCD pattern, triangular pattern, and so on and so forth. Then can use this brush, arrow, and shape. So you may use shape for you to know a particular area on the chart. So you use it to identify an area on the chart, and use this to identify an area on the chart. You can use this box to for that. So depending on how you can use those tools. So that's geo shape. Then we have test. So this test, notes, and so on and so forth. Then you can hide all these smiley tools also. You have them plenty. There are very many. You can add them to your chart and see them. These are the smiley tools. And we have ruler. To this is called it measurement. So to measure from this area to this area, how many pips are the market move, how many percentage has the market move downward. So you can see from that. Starts move within 6 hours. I mean 6 days to 20 hours with 140 pips. So you can see that. Then we have so many tools, zoom tools for you to zoom in and zoom out. Use to zoom in and zoom out, and use to zoom out, zoom in, zoom in, zoom out. We have a magnet. Then we have keep drawing. So if you want to lock, if I want to keep drawing, if I pick any drawing, if I pick anything, so I can be using it to make the drawing and still pick again. You can see that I'm still drawing what I'm drawing. So just to be picking. So that's that tools and what it does. So that's that tools and what it does. So I believe you understand what I mean and what I'm doing here. So those are what those tools does. And we have this also for you to lock all the drawings. We have hide drawings, so I can hide all my drawings. You can see that everything is hidden. Then I can replace them by. So I add my indicators. So if I show all the indicators before, so I can decide to hide them. You can see it. So I believe you understand what I'm doing here. Then we have deletion. So we can delete all the drawings and delete all the drawings, and I can say delete all the indicators I've added to the chart. So remove all the drawings and indicators. So it will tend to remove everything from my chart. This is 4 hours. You can change it to 1 hour. You can change it to 1 minute, depending on what you want to do. So those are what those tools does on trading view for you. So those are the things that you are going to make use of as a trader. Those are the things that you make use of as a trader. So here are what I've added to my favorites. You can see there all the tools here on my favorite. The one that I've added to my favorite. This position, this Fibonacci. I mean long position. And you can see that if I want to say, okay, I want to buy from here, I want to sell, so I want to take my profit here and I want to take my loss here. So this is my position size, so you can delete it if I don't want it on the chart. So this is my short position, this is my target, this is my stop loss, this is my Fibonacci retracement that I draw earlier. So make sure you draw it perfectly. Make sure you draw it perfectly. So if you don't know how to draw, you can use auto indicators. So you can use auto indicators. So you look for professional. You can look for indicators from the from trading view because they give you access to it. This automatic Fibonacci retracement. So if I click on it, it's going to be added to my chart and see that it has been added to my chart. So I can now go and edit it and place it the way I want it to be. So let me adjust it. So I don't want all the line to be filled. So I want only the this to be filled.